এগুলো যা তৈরি হয়েছে সেগুলোই আমি দেখাচ্ছি। চিনজিনি, একটু দেখো, ভালো করে দেখো, ভালো ভালো শাড়ি আছে আজকে, বিউটিফুল স্টাফ। They are all our own this thing product. Wonderful color. দেখুন, এই কাজগুলো তো ভারী সুন্দর কাজ হয়েছে। Look at this. Handcrafted by Ari Embroidery. Look at this. The corner is highlighted with a beautiful design, especially the green effect. All these green sarees brings you the freshness. The house is. Look at this. Enjoy the saree. This is on a very good quality gachi tassa, and this is Ari embroidery done up to give it a party look. And here goes the blouse. Price, it has come just now. I have asked you for the price. You see, I'll just let you know. I will keep it aside and let you know the price.